Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to narrow down your search by applying filters on the Gap application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that, tap on the menu icon in the upper left corner of the screen and select a category, then a subcategory, and then tap on the filters button at the top. You should select your category here, such as hoodies, sweatshirts, outerwear, and so on. So select relevant ones. Then you can also set your size, the color that you prefer, and the price range. Click on the Apply Now button at the bottom to see the results matching your set filters. Tap on it, check it out, and basically that's it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.